alaikum. Hey, resin friends. Ever look at your coffee table and think, what this needs is a splash of fabulous floral drama? Well, grab your mixing cups and gloves because today we're creating this gorgeous 7-inch magenta coaster with a peony that practically jumps off the surface. No fancy equipment needed, just your creativity and a willingness to get a little messy with me. Welcome to Happy Place Creations. If you're new, I'm Connie, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to make this stunning peony coaster that's already become my new favorite piece. I'm working with this 7-inch round silicone mold, perfect size for those oversized mugs we all secretly love. I've picked this rich magenta color that makes my heart sing, paired with this leafy green that complements our peony sticker beautifully. Don't worry if you're new to resin, we're going to take this step by step, and I promise, if I can do this, you absolutely can too. And with this mold being 7 inches round, it could also be made to be a hot plate. Talk about versatility, protect your surfaces from cold drinks and hot dishes with the same beautiful creation. 2 uses in one gorgeous piece. Let's dive in and create something gorgeous together. And remember, there's no such thing as mistakes in resin art, only happy little design opportunities, as I like to call them. Now let's get mixing. We're going to be mixing them in the cup and also using the swirl method. I will show you that on the video, how I go about to do that, and you will see amazing results in our mold. Oh, just wait until you see how these colors dance together. The Pearl X Magenta has this gorgeous shimmer that catches the light in all the right ways, and when we swirl it with that leafy green, pure magic. It's like watching a peony bloom right before your eyes. The swirl method is one of my absolute favorites because each piece turns out completely unique. Even I don't know exactly how it's going to look until it's done. That's half the fun, right? Let's get our resin mixed and start creating this beauty. Thank you to my amazing subscribers and welcome to anyone new. I pour my heart into these resin and craft tutorials, and your support keeps this channel going. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe. It's free and means the world to me. Likes help YouTube share my videos, and I love reading your comments. Thank you for being here. You truly mean everything to me. Now our item has cured, and we can take it out of the mold and look at the results. Now one side came out rather plain, but the other side was amazing. The color swirls were just perfect. Now that is the side we're going to put our peony on. So we are going to get our sticker, and we're going to be placing the sticker in the center where we want it. We're going to be mixing up some more of our Let's Resin epoxy. Now where I'm just using this as a coaster, I'm not worried about using food-safe resin. Now, if I was using this as a hot plate or was going to be putting food on this project, then I would definitely use a food-safe resin or a heat-safe resin. But where I'm just using this in my workshop, I'm just going to use some Let's Resin epoxy. So, like I said, I'm just going to be applying my sticker so that we can do a top coat at this point. Isn't that magenta swirl just dreamy? It reminds me of those fancy marble cakes that are too pretty to eat. And look how perfectly our peony sticker complements those swirls, like it was always meant to be there. I love how the green pigment created these little leafy patterns that echo the greenery in our sticker. Happy accidents are my favorite part of resin crafting. Now let's seal this beauty with a nice glossy top coat that'll make those colors pop even more and protect our pretty peony for years to come. I just wanted to let you know that these stickers are actually for a wall so that you could decorate your rooms, and I picked them up at the Dollar Tree, and I'm using them in our project today, so you don't have to spend a lot of money to make good-looking things. That's right, craft friends. You don't need fancy art supply stores or specialty shops to create something gorgeous. Dollar Tree is a resin crafter's secret weapon. These wall decor stickers are perfect for our resin projects because they're flat, colorful, and designed to stick. And at just $1, that's what I call crafting on a budget. I'm always on the lookout for unexpected items I can use in my resin work. Picture frames, seasonal decor aisles, even the gardening section. You never know where you'll find the perfect embellishment. This beautiful peony might have been meant for a wall, but I think it's found its true calling in our stunning coaster. Don't you just love a good craft hack? Keep your eyes open next time you're shopping. Inspiration is everywhere, and your wallet will thank you. When using stickers, you want to make sure that you press down to eliminate any air that might be trapped. Now, a hack that you can use is take a utility blade and just make a little slit, and that will help eliminate the air that is trapped underneath your sticker, so you won't have a bump, and that will help your sticker to lay nice and flat because you don't want to have any air trapped underneath because air will escape from underneath your resin, and we don't want to have it ruin our project when we've spent so much time and money to make it look pretty. This little trick has saved so many of my projects, let me tell you. Nothing worse than pouring that beautiful clear coat and then watching little air bubbles form under your sticker. Talk about a heartbreaker. I learned this the hard way after a few bubble disasters. You know what I'm talking about if you've been there. Just the tiniest little slit with your blade does the trick. You can barely see it when you're done, but it makes all the difference in the world. It's like giving that trapped air an escape hatch. And trust me, air will always find a way out. So it's better to control where it goes rather than letting it decide on its own. Your future self will thank you for taking this extra 30 seconds, I promise. And now it's time for the top coat. I've mixed up some more Let's Resin, and I'm going to apply that to the top. Now I'm going to pour just a little bit at a time so the sticker will absorb the resin because I didn't take the time to seal the sticker. Now that is something that should be done especially when your sticker is paper. Now you can use a Mod Podge, Elmer's glue, or even a clear spray, anything that will dry and seal in your sticker. I will also be watching for any trapped air that could be sneaking out from the sticker. Now I'm taking a risk where I did not seal the sticker that I could have air bubbles, but I'm going to continue slowly and I'm going to just watch for a bit. If any bubbles should pop up, I will pop them. I am going to spray the top with some isopropyl alcohol 99%. A lot of people don't like to spray the top. They say it leaves a film. I personally have not had any problem with that. I do use my lighter from time to time instead of the alcohol. This is where patience really pays off, friends. Going slow with your resin pour when working with paper stickers is absolutely crucial. Paper is like a little sponge. It wants to drink up that resin, and when it does, it can release air bubbles like crazy. That's why I'm being extra cautious here. Ideally, sealing your stickers beforehand is the way to go. It creates a barrier between the paper and the resin. But we're living dangerously today. Sometimes in crafting, as in life, we have to take calculated risks. Just keep that torch or alcohol spray handy to tackle any sneaky bubbles that try to ruin our beautiful creation. Stay vigilant for those first 30 minutes or so after pouring. That's when most bubbles will make their appearance. Crafting is an adventure, isn't it? And here's our finished product. Our top coat has cured, and here's the results. I think it came out amazing. Very beautiful. Now, normally I would put some little feet on it, but I can't seem to locate them right now. So here is our finished piece. I'm very happy with our project today. I thank all of you for joining me, and if you liked my video, please subscribe, please comment, and please do share. It does help my channel, and by liking my video, that does signal to YouTube that it is good content and it is worth sharing to other people. I thank you all, and I will see you in the next one.